Creating data kits helps admins and data-aware specialists configure and test features within Salesforce CDP before deploying to a production org. Let's review the steps on how to create and upload a data kit in Salesforce CDP with packaging. From a development org where you have a data stream mapped and configured, navigate to CDP Setup. Under Tools, click Data Kits, and then click New. After naming your data kit and adding a description, click Save. Now you can add in data streams and data models. Click Add under Data Streams. Name your data stream bundle and select the data streams you wish to add to your package. Click Next. Notice that all related objects and relationships within the data stream are included in the bundle. Once reviewed, click Save. Your data kit is created and you can now publish it in Package Manager. Navigate to Package Manager in Setup. Click New, add a package name and description, and then click Save. Now we need to add in the data kit. From the Component tab, click Add. From the Component Type drop-down, select Data Kit Definition, and then select Account Data Kit. Then click Add to Package. To complete the package creation, click Upload. Add in version name and version number, and click Upload again. Great! Now uploaded, you can use the installation URL to install your data kit in the org of your choice.